Oh, Horseland, I've never watched you until yesterday. I've low-key grown attached. And the theme song's fire. No pun intended. But, apart from me never watching this show, I actually wanted to do a review on it. So, the episode that we're doing is the first ever episode of the series. It's episode 1, Can't Judge a Girl by Her Limo. This episode in particular is interesting. It's very interesting. It introduces the characters very well. When we actually never got a rundown of who or what they who or what they are. But I never seen the show before. It honestly isn't that bad in my opinion. It's actually pretty good apart from a beginner like myself who started watching it yesterday. So I thought, why not actually do a review on it since I haven't done a review on this show before. So, yeah, let's just get this review started, shall we?
Welcome to Horseland.
Buddy, I love you, but I can see the goddamn sun. I'm not blind.
This is one fine place to call home.
Yeah, it sure is, buddy, but, I'ma just skip to the, actual part where we meet our characters. Hello, Bailey and the rest of our main cast in the show so far. Hello, Sarah, Molly, and, Alma, yeah, her name Alma, yeah. That's a nice name, I'm not gonna lie.
Hey, Will! Where is this place? Yeah, cousin, where are you taking us?
Oh, yeah, Will and Bailey are cousins and probably in the entire series. Well, yeah, in the entire series that they're cousins and, yeah. I like them though, don't worry. Thank God, the two, never mind. Oh no, we're gonna get to them two in a minute. In a hot minute.
Horseland, and your whole ranch. It is beautiful, isn't it? How'd you ever find this place, Will?
Alright, long story short, we're just gonna skip to the main story plot. Skip all this filler, Sally. I'm sorry.
The first time we saw you, Sarah, it didn't start out very well, and it only got worse.
You think, Alma? You think, Alma? Okay, let's just go to the part where, you know what? We're not gonna skip this. We're actually just gonna let this a bit play out a little bit.
Man, it was a big deal. Everybody knew you were coming. Excuse me? Not Alma and me. No one bothered to give us the 411.
Alright, off topic, but what are all them extras doing there? Deadass.
What's going on around here? Didn't we just do the grooming and cleaning?
Yeah, y'all did it off screen.
The good news is the arena's empty. Come on, let's do some practicing.
Not so fast. You can help me clean up now.
I'm sorry. That's Will's goddamn smirk. I can't. Will smirk. I can't.
New girl coming. Now get busy raking.
Aww.
Man, rake is not the worst thing in the world. Molly, I love you, girl, but just being over dramatic. Raking isn't bad. It ain't that bad. It really ain't that bad.
Just who is this new girl? The president's daughter?
Not the president's daughter, Molly. Good night. But honestly, we haven't seen the president, like, at all in the show. Like at all in the show. Like, really, at all. That's crazy. Real crazy.
What'd you say, Bailey? A rich girl? One of the Whitneys?
Oh, hello, Chloe Zoe. Well, we gonna get to y'all in a minute. We gonna get to y'all later, though. We gonna get to y'all later. We're definitely gonna get to y'all later. Oh, I can't wait to talk about y'all.
Yeah, Zoe. And since my mom and dad own this place... Yes? They want us to be real nice because this could be good for Horseland. So you two had better behave yourselves. Oh, we will. Hey, we know no money.
Yes, Zoe. Y'all both definitely do know money, considering the fact that y'all are rich.
Great. All we need is another girl like them.
Alright. Editor Danny, play that sound effect right now!
Angora, is this more of your catty gossip?
Alright. We're gonna, we're gonna skip a bit. Just a bit. Like, to the, pepper and, chili part. So, yeah. Let's, do that.
You know Pepper. Her new horse is gonna be a real thoroughbred.
With papers, of course. Oh, at last. Somebody we can talk to, Chili.
Pepper and chili. Oh. I don't know what to say about y'all. Y'all are something. Definitely something. Y'all are definitely something in series. And I look you like that. I look you like that.
You can have all the papers in the world, and it's not gonna make you a better jumper.
Oh my lord, I freaking love Button's voice. Yes. Slay. Slay queen. Yes, I love your voice. Yes.
And just when I was starting to enjoy raking.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I couldn't resist. I'm so sorry.
I can't believe we're doing all this extra work because her dad's rich. My dad's a dentist. No one cleans my stable. My dad manages these places, but nobody does my work for me.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I played that sound like 3 or 4 times now. I'm sorry. It's the urge. It's the urge. I'm sorry.
Hey, my dad owns this place, and I don't get any breaks either.
I'm sorry. The urge is too strong. I'm sorry.
I don't mind doing our own chores, but why are we doing everyone else's? What happened to Chloe and Zoe? Shouldn't they be helping?
Well, I don't know about that, Alma. But alright, I'll leave you be.
Those two always disappear when there's dirty work. They wouldn't want to soil their designer duds.
Yeah, designer. You know what? I ain't gonna say nothing yet. We not even there. We are not there.
What do you figure this new horse is going to be like?
Like Chili and Pepper, a high-stepping snob.
Dang, not the high-stepping snob. I'm sorry.
We ought to let the new girl take all this equipment down by herself.
Danny, you played this damn sound effect 6 times now. Why? Look. It works for this episode. Okay, since we got our 3 hoes. Yeah, I said it. Hoes in this episode.
That's too much car for one girl. She probably has her whole prep school in there.
Y'all are being some hating ass hoes. Y'all don't even know what she like, and y'all just judge her by her limo type shit, whatever. Why? Lord, I hate these 3 bitches in this episode with the passion. Thankfully, they're redeeming themselves. Thankfully, that's happened. Cause, oh my god. Oh my god. Lord, I can't stand them during the episode. I'm sorry.
Zoe, look at that limo. It's bigger than ours. She's so like us.
Yeah, not really close.
Would you look at that? Pretty fancy trailer for one horse.
So another horse living bitches too. Okay, that's great. It's not like we already have 3 hating assholes in this episode. We definitely don't need more. Definitely not.
Here she comes. Wow.
Bailey, what the fuck do you mean, wow? Bitch, your eyes was just talking shit.
We ought to let the new girl take all this equipment down by herself. She probably has her whole prep school in there.
This definitely deserves a... Because Bailey, how in the fuck you're gonna say wow after you were just talking shit earlier? What the fuck?
We are so outnumbered now.
Molly, shut up. I'm sorry. I can't believe it made me say that, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Wow, she's gorgeous.
Polinsky, right? That is classic Vermilion. Love your hair. Hi, Dindal, right?
I'ma say it again.
Looks like they're hitting it off pretty good.
Shut up, Bailey. Bailey, shut the fuck up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But them three but Alma, Bailey, and Molly pissed me off so bad in this episode.
Hi, I'm Sarah. It's my first day. Name's Molly. Bailey. Alma.
What the fuck? They didn't have to introduce themselves like that. Ooh. Lord Jesus, actually, fuck it. Take the wheel. Take the wheel.
I'm Will. Don't pay any attention to them.
Come on, Sarah. We'll get you We'll show you where everything is.
I fucking love Corp and Zoe in this episode. Yes! Yes! Yes!
You see that? Hi, I'm Sarah. My trailer's so Euro. My outfit's all designer.
I'm finna correct. I'm finna fucking correct. Cause what the fuck was that bullshit? Sarah didn't even introduce herself like that. Lord, I'm about to commit.
The grilled cheese is the best. Oh, but probably not as good as you're used to.
What the fuck was that bummy ass introduction? What do you mean probably not what you're used to? My girl. Honestly, fuck it. Fuck it! Lord, I'm about to kill myself. I'm about to kill myself. Take the wheel. Please, God.
Sarah, there you are. What are you doing? Come with us. See that? Cut right in front of us.
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.
I'm so sorry, but I had to play it. I had to! He deserves it!
So, you like it here at Horseland?
Yeah, sure. You bet.
Why wouldn't we like it here?
This definitely deserves it. Why? Cause why are these horses being so fucking disrespectful? Lord!
Talk to the tail.
Lord! Lord! Oh God, I'm pissed off. I'm pissed the fuck off. Oh God. Lord. Oh my God.
Hi, do you guys know where I should put my things? Any open spot's good.
Okay, Bailey, I see you trying to redeem yourself for the bullshit you caused. Okay.
But, that one's not open.
There's no one side on that stall! Ah! There's no one's saddle on that shit.
How about this one? There was a girl using it last summer, and, she might come back.
I'm about to kill myself. I can't take this shit.
I think there ought to be something down there on the end.
I take it back. I take it back. Editor Danny, you know what to play. You know what to play.
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the street.
Okay, yeah, that's enough, because I'm not gonna play the full audio. I already did it for baby's pictures. Ah! I can't do this shit. I can't take this shit.
What do you mean? Isn't it obvious? We're better than they are. We have superior lineage, better pedigrees. We are the best of the best.
Kinda the most horrible horse in this episode, but I'm gonna take that back real quickly. I'm gonna take that back real soon. Y'all just wait. I'm gonna take it back. I'm going to take it back. Take it back.
It's okay. This is my job.
Y'all gonna be hearing a lot of.
Maybe I can help, Alma. Do you have another rake? I can handle it. Bailey? Got it covered. Look, maybe we started out wrong. Can we try again? Sarah, we're all the same here. Nobody's better than anybody else.
Yeah, like I said, y'all gonna be hearing a lot of. Because them three deserve it. No wonder why they're. I am so sorry. I really apologize in advance for my crash outs. But I can't help it. They make me so mad in this episode. Oh my god. This is a very bad introduction. Ooh.
I don't get it. I never said I... Okay, never mind. Guess I just don't belong here.
No! Sarah, no, don't leave. Please. Please. She looking to be one of my favorite characters. Please don't leave.
Said something about leaving. Maybe she decided Horseland is not for her.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe three motherfucking bitches drew hard to leave. Have I ever thought about that?
Horseland gets one decent girl and you chase her away.
I was about to say this part, but I'll wait until the next scene what Chloe says.
This is bad. Horseland does need new students.
And now y'all start to be sympathetic. Get the fuck out. Get out!
I can't believe you judged her without giving her a chance. That's like something we'd do.
You know it's bad when the rich bitches call you out for your bullshit. Chloe was right though. She was right, deadass. She was so right.
Do you think we maybe kinda jumped to conclusions about her?
Hell yeah.
Maybe.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What in the fuck does she mean by maybe? All Sarah did was be nice to y'all, and y'all just push her away. Like, get out!
Follow the horse's lead. Move like the horse moves. Keep your back like the horse's and your heels down. And you're gonna slide to the rear of the saddle.
I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Y'all all had a crush on Will, didn't y'all? I'm sorry. I'm sorry to throw y'all down the drain like that. I'm sorry. It was too funny not to say nor ask.
Let's get Scarlet in a little trouble.
Oh shit, y'all. Here we go. As the wise words from Stella from Wings Season 2. Drama time! So after all Sarah been through, she still decides to forgive them. She's better than me, but not gonna lie, I would forgive him too if it was just an honest mistake. But honestly, I don't think that all that hate towards Sarah was a mistake. It was unnecessary. I'm gonna say it now. It was unnecessary. It's true, because it was unnecessary.
Button, mi querida.
Lord, I want to learn how to speak Spanish so bad.
Didn't you see? Scarlet bit Button.
Actually, Mangora, it was chilly, but alrighty. Y'all see how I'm starting to calm down? Cause there's not even that much crash outs. Yeah, I'm starting to calm down since it is a bit of the final episode. Well, the ending of the episode. So, yeah, I'm starting to calm down a bit.
If it wasn't for you, she wouldn't need anybody's help.
I want to scream, shut up, so bad. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. I want to do it so bad, but I'm not gonna do that.
I can take over now, Sarah.
It's okay, Will. I don't mind.
Alright, so I'm gonna play this sound effect. So yeah, be prepared.
Slay! Saw the whole thing. It was her horse that did it. That high-strung Arabian.
High-strung Arabian? What is that? Call me slow in the comments, but my apologies, but call me slow in the comments or any type of word y'all want when I say this. But what in the flip is an Arabian? I am not familiar with my animal culture yet, or animals by far.
Yeah, we thought you were going to be spoiled rotten and stuck up like Chloe and Zoe. But we were way wrong. Welcome to Horseland, Sarah.
Molly, why are you looking at me? I'm not at Horseland, even though I wish I was.
Money can't buy friendship, and friendship's all I ever wanted. I used to wonder what friendship could be.
I'm sorry, the iron's so strong, I had to do it. But it fits so well, though. It really does. So, like, this is gonna be the end of the review here. The video's already long as it is, and I really don't want to go through the, little more interlude with the video in the episode. So, yeah, this marks the end of this Horseland review, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it. It took a while for me to do, and it'll probably take me a while to, get out. So, yeah, I might do more of these reviews, more Horseland reviews in the future, but we'll just have to see what the future brings us. So, yeah, bye, ghosties.
Concentrate my power in the final hour. In the end, I am gonna win. Don't you know I'm unstoppable? Don't even try, 'cause you will fall. I got a strength deep in my soul that gives me courage and control. I'm going up the limit break. The universe is mine to take. Up into high gear. Oh, this is Dragon Ball Super. We've got the skills to blow it